All right, welcome back to day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas. It's Melissa Thomas from C2C Stamping, and I'm excited that you're here today. You get to see these fun milk carton boxes. So these are some boxes that I had gotten years ago from Hobby Lobby or one of the box stores. And I've been holding on to them for quite some time. We just came out with a brand new stamp set called, I think it's Not Better Together. Let's see, what's it called? Perfect Pairs. So Perfect Pairs is a really cute online exclusive stamp set, and it had this cow because they have a little milk box. We go together like milk and cookies. This is a really fun Valentine's wedding anniversary type stamp set that I thought was really cute. Could be really good for good friends as well. But when I saw my boxes, I was like, oh yeah, I forgot about those. I could put a little cow decal. What's funny about these boxes is they actually open like a milk container, which I think is funny. And on the inside, you might see, you will have to bust them open in order to get to it, but then you can always seal this back with some glue, or you could even staple it if you needed to, but you will have to bust open the box to get into it. But today's present is, I just pulled it, oh there it is this beautiful satin edged ribbon with gold on it in Very Vanilla. So all the colors of all the projects and things, as you can tell, there's lots of gold and lots of Very Vanilla. So I wanted to make sure you had a nice ribbon that went along with it. We don't have a current vanilla ribbon, and I think that's a shame because I really love how warm and kind of romantic I think Very Vanilla is. I wanted to show you something. I didn't have a project for today, and I just riffed this. But remember yesterday I was talking about how you could make this into a card. So the card is 3 3/4 by 4 1/2, and it slips in here. And then I tucked that really cute little calendar in the front pocket, and we can use this ribbon. So sometimes I'll use cardstock to wrap around this, but we can totally use the ribbon to wrap around. And we're gonna tie a cute little bow, so I'm gonna give myself a little extra. But wouldn't it be cute? Now, if you had Very Vanilla cardstock and you wanted to use that, I think that would be great. But I know not everyone has that cardstock color. So we're gonna use it in some other projects, and I'll give you it for the other projects. But, all right, so I'm gonna kind of slide this up a little bit. And then for some reason, I tie my bows upside down. And I met someone the other day, and she said, oh, I'm so frustrated because I always tie my bows upside down. And I said, well, then just turn the paper over and tie them upside down. She was like, I never thought about that. I was like, well, yeah, if you tie them upside down, you know, clearly there's something about the way that your fingers work, right, that you're just tying them upside down. And I said, but then just turn the paper over, and then you can come in and trim them and turn your paper right side up, and then your bow will be perfect. So that's a really cute way to give that to somebody. So there you go. Impromptu project for today that helps to show how you can use the ribbon and how you can use these cute pieces. You're going to get a couple more of these as we go along the way. The other thing I forgot is that yesterday when you got, or 2 days ago when you got the note cards, you got a packet in a clear envelope, and that'll have pieces that we're going to use for cards and stuff. So as we go through, just pull from that packet. There is not this piece in there. Sorry, I just came up with that right now. But maybe you have some cardstock laying around and you can do that. Again, the measurements on that is 3 3/4 by 4 1/2. And then it just tucks right behind there. And I like to write like dear so-and-so so that they can see it and they know and they understand, oh, there's a card with this. And then they're going to kind of go, oh, there's something thick in here. And then they're going to see the really cute calendar. So there you go. There is day 5 of the 12 Days of Christmas. And you've already made a cute project, and you've now got something to tuck it in. So, all right, see you soon. Bye-bye.